Hi dear Scorpio, very good morning. And so this is a reading for 2021. Let's quickly see how your 2021 is going to be for you guys. So I have pulled 12 cards, each for 1 month. So let's start, okay? So for January, it is kind of Knight of Wands energy. Knights of Wand energy is some communication is coming to you, somebody is coming back to you from the past maybe, or you are going to somebody from the past. This can be a romantic relationship as well, this can be a friendship as well, or if it is not, if you are not going to somebody, if somebody is not coming to you, then this energy is kind of communicating and traveling and being passionate, being very very active, energetic, dynamic, starting a new gym routine or starting a new exercise routine or something like that. You are going to feel like very very passionate about something. You are going to feel very very energetic, and you are going to feel like, yes, I have to do it in 2021 and I will start this new year with a bang. Fuck this corona shit, fuck that and fuck all, but I will start my personal year with a bang, and that is what is the energy of Jan 2021 for you guys. In Feb, what is happening with you guys in Feb is you are celebrating. This is the Four of Wands energy. So you are celebrating a family function, a marriage, an engagement or something like that. If you're not celebrating this thing with anybody, that is this is happening with you guys. Maybe you are getting engaged, or maybe you are getting married, or maybe you are getting some kind of promotion or something that you are celebrating with this energy. This is 11-11. This is a very positive energy. This Feb 2021 is going to be very very beautiful for you guys. You might be engaged in family functions, happiness, jolliness. You are wearing some kind of luxurious clothes and kind of energy. So whatever is happening, you are celebrating in Feb, whatever it is for you guys, you know better, right? In March, this is the Knight of Pentacles energy. You might be feeling lots of turbulences in your finances from past year, or maybe you might be feeling like, no, I'm not earning enough, or I'm not saving enough, or that is what is happening from the past 2-3 years with you guys. But finally the stability is coming for you guys in March. So this is the Knight of Pentacles energy. So this is kind of energy that you are able to save something, save some money for yourself, or finally you are able to do that a policy that you always wanted to do, that investment you always wanted to do, or you wanted to put some money aside for future use. So finally you will be able to do that. Okay, so this is the kind of energy for March 2021. So in April, what is happening in April is the Tower moment. Kind of breakup thing I can see. Might be there was a person in your life you were not able to get rid of, and you will finally get rid of that person or that situation, and that this person will be out of your life, maybe permanently. Okay, so this is what is happening in April. This is going to shock you a little. See, this is going to shock you a little. This is going to make you like, oh god, I was not expecting this to end like this. But whatever this is happening, it is going to be very very good for you, Scorpio. You don't have the need to worry about this thing, because what I can see is this is kind of divorce or breakup, or it can also mean that you are falling some kind of ill, or there is some kind of sickness coming to you. But the good news is no matter how bad it looks, but it is going to be okay, it is going to be fine within no time. This is just kind of shocking to you, because you were not expecting this thing to happen. Okay, so when it happens, you will be a little bit of in a depression mode for a little bit of for a little time. But whatever that happens to you in this April, it is going to be very very good for you, because there was something that was weak, that was not strong enough to handle this situation, to bear this situation. So it finally happened. Okay, so after April, in May, you are enjoying, you are celebrating something with your friends, you are going to a party, or you are throwing a party for your people, for your friends, for your family, or whatever you are doing, you are celebrating something in the month of May, and that is going to give you very very happy and positive vibes, and you are going to feel like, yes, this is the life I always wanted for myself. Okay, this is the life that I created for myself. Now finally I am able to celebrate things with my family, with my pals, or my girlfriend, or my boyfriend, or whatever it is. It is a long awaited happiness, it is a long awaited celebration that you wanted to do from a long time. Now finally this is happening in May. Now in June, what is happening is Queen of Cups. some lady is coming to you. If you are a female, then a male is coming to you. If you are a male, then a female is coming to you, who is very very stable emotionally, very very happy, very very caring, very very beautiful from inside out. And this is kind of energy. This person is going to change your life for the better. It can be or cannot be, it can be a romantic relationship as well. For most of the people it is a romantic relationship, but not, if not a romantic relationship, it is kind of energy that it is going to make you feel stable, happy, and you are going to feel like, yes, there is somebody in my life who cares for me, who loves me for the way I am. It is a kind of motherly figure or fatherly figure, but very caring and very loving and very beautiful energy. If there is nobody coming to your life, you will feel like this Queen of Cups. You will feel emotionally happy, emotionally stable, emotionally loving everyone, caring for everyone around you, and you are going to feel like, yes, this is the life. This is the life that I always wanted for myself and the people around me. You are going to feel like this. This is not a typical Scorpio nature, but yes, this is kind of energy for you guys that you are picking for June. Okay, in July, this is 8 of Wands. So there are lots of wands in your reading, Scorpio. So this is a year full of energy, passion, and action. So drama. So lots of filmy things are happening with you guys in 2021 Scorpio. Your life is changing for the better, for the best, you can say. Okay, so in the month of July it is 8 of Wands energy. So the communication is fast. There is somebody who is coming from the past to you very very fastly, and they are like they want to communicate with you guys. And you are going to travel a lot in the month of July. Maybe you are traveling abroad for some kind of work. Maybe you are traveling to some other city, to some other country, or maybe you are just traveling for fun. It is a card of traveling, happiness, enjoyment, not giving a fuck to anybody's shit, doing your own business, minding your own business. That is what is happening with you guys in the month of July. So fast communication is there. Whosoever is this person or this situation is, you have to handle it with your mind, not with your heart. So you have to take care of this in the month of July. Okay, so in August, what is happening is 7 of Wands. There is some kind of battle going on with you guys in Scorpio in August. What I can see is, it can be professional as well, it can be personal as well, but whatever it is, you are going to handle it with grace, because you are standing your own ground. You are not taking anybody's side in this, but you are standing your own ground. You have your own strong opinion about this particular thing, and you are going to stick to that no matter what other person says to you. And this is going to help you a lot, because people will see you in a different shade, in a different light. People will change your perspective for you guys, that yes, this is the only person who took his stand, and he was the only person whom we respect now, because this person was like adamant, and he stood his own ground. He took no sides, neither that way nor that way. Okay, so that is the energy for you guys for August. September, Page of Wands energy. I am telling you, lots of wands is there, lots of passionate energy, lots of force driving you to do something better in life, to make your life good. So this is the Page of Wands energy. This is the kind of energy that you might be starting some kind of business, some kind of another job, or part-time job, or some kind of you can say creative thing, YouTube channel, blog, writing, some kind of this energy is there. So whatever it is, you are starting something very very passionately, in a very very passionate energy. You don't know what is going to happen next, but you are starting it anyway, and you are going to feel like, yes, this is what I wanted to do, and this is what I will follow from now onwards. No matter what others say to me, I will do whatever I want in my life. This is the thing what is happening with you guys in September. In October, this is the 8 of Cups. You are walking away from love. So 8 of Cups energy is there, Scorpio. So it is telling me that you are walking away from a particular person or situation, or love, or family, or whatever it is. You might be going away from a family, from your family, or you are leaving behind your children, or your spouse, or your partner, or whatever it is. You are in a meditation phase. You don't want to involve in any kind of stupid things or emotional baggages, or whatever it is that is holding you back. You are walking away from that situation, and you are going in your own den, in your own cave, to have some me time, and then you will come out with a bang. In November, Death card is there. So death card is basically what it is telling me is you are no longer going to be the same again, Scorpio, because your perspective have changed. You have died. You have died, and there is a rebirth of old Scorpio. There is a new Scorpio now. Your vision for everything have changed. You now see people in a different light. People will see you in a different light. This is kind of spiritual awakening thing as well. You might not be interested in spiritual things, but that happens to us no matter how we take it, no matter how we react to it. But spiritual things keep on happening to us. If there is some kind of change in your life, suddenly, that is a spiritual thing. If there is some kind of energy that is making you feel down, that is also a spiritual thing. So no matter what you feel, whether you like it or not, that is happening with you. Okay, you are transforming into something very, very good. You are shedding your old energy, and you are going into a new zone of new Scorpio. I'm the new person. I will see everything in a different light now. This is what is happening with you guys in November. In December, the Fool energy, this is a very beautiful energy. You are on a self-healing journey. You are on a new path. You don't know what is happening. You are believing in the unknown. You will be connected to the divine. You will be spiritually connected to the divine. You will feel like, yes, God is helping me. The angels are helping me. The people are very, very helping around me. You don't know what you are doing, right? But you're enjoying life. Enjoying life is the most important thing, Scorpio. Else it is kind of become baggage for us. So whatever it is happening with you guys, you don't understand this now, and you don't have to. Okay, but you have to analyze everything before doing. Like if you are taking a risk to marry somebody, before analyze. Don't do it just because there's pressure on you. Just do it because you wanted to do, right? So this is the kind of energy. This Fool energy is like a childlike energy. You will be innocent like a baby. You don't know what you're doing, but you are doing it anyway, and you are enjoying life. This is the reading for you guys, for you Scorpios. So let's see quickly what angels want to say to you for 2021. Messages from the angels for Scorpios. Reconsider, be assertive. There's something better. Reconsider your everything that you I told you so, right? So you have to reconsider your decisions, whatever you are making in 2021. Then be assertive to yourself, be assertive to others as well. Be assertive. Okay, this is the energy. Fine. There's something better for you guys if you reconsider, and if you be the meaning of assertive is remain positive to yourself, remain hopeful to yourself, right? So you have to remain hopeful, you have to remain positive. Then you have to reconsider your choices, whatever you are making. Don't take any decision in haste, and there's something better for you guys if you reconsider, and if you analyze everything in a positive way. Okay, so this is a reading for you guys for 2021. So let's quickly see how's your relationship going to be. Knight of Cups, beautiful energy of Cup, beautiful relationship, beautiful emotions coming to you. A new proposal is coming to you, or maybe you might be proposing somebody for marriage or something. So this is kind of energy. And this is for career. This is the Four of Pentacles. Don't hold anything too tight. Don't hold any emotion or anything. Just release, just flow with the flow. It is kind of energy. You are trying to save money so hardly, or you are trying to earn money so hardly that you are feeling exhausted, drained, fatigued. So you are feeling like, oh God, okay, I'm earning money, I'm saving money, but I'm not happy. This is the kind of energy. So you have to release this negativity from yourself. Okay, and the health, let's see your health. Wow, you are going to enjoy very solid and beautiful health in 2021. Your health is glowing, your skin is glowing, you are glowing, blah, you are glowing. Okay, so yeah, this is the reading for Scorpios for 2021. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Thank you so much. Namaste, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends as well. Thank you.